Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cleanup app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Cleanup is a mobile utility app designed to help users optimize their devices by removing junk files, managing storage, boosting performance, and improving battery life. The app integrates features such as cache cleaning, duplicate file removal, memory optimization, and app management, all in one platform. It also supports scheduled cleanups, notifications for unused apps, and secure deletion of files. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Cleanup for its intuitive interface, fast scanning, and effective removal of unnecessary files. Many users find that it helps maintain device speed and frees up storage without the need for technical expertise. The app's real-time performance monitoring and easy-to-access cleanup tools are popular among regular smartphone users. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some features require a subscription, which may not be affordable for everyone. Occasional pop-up ads or notifications can be intrusive, and some users report that certain cleanup actions are not always effective on all devices. Also, advanced features like battery optimization may vary depending on the phone model. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Cleanup app may be worth using if you want a simple, efficient way to free up storage and maintain your device's performance. It shines in convenience, speed, and ease of use. However, if you prefer a fully free experience or need more advanced optimization features, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.